Good morning everyone! So, Kay challenged me to create a vlog using this Deerma DX700 vacuum cleaner. So, I bought this from Lazada. Okay, the proceeds of our challenge will go to Victor Odegia Jr. Memorial Elementary School. So, I hope this will help our beneficiaries. Okay, so let's start. Since I'm doing this vlog and the US colleagues are watching, I might as well share a little information. So what is this boodle? It came from the original word boodle. So in English it's swindling. So there is this group of people who will entice a victim to buy their product or to transact business with them, and later they will find out that the business is not legitimate or the product is counterfeit, and then later on the swindlers disappear. But if you are able to look for them and the police catches them, they will be sued for estafa by means of deceit. Now this word boodle has evolved. It's already a slang. It means gullible. So in online shopping, they entice somebody to buy something. However, this one is mostly legitimate. But I prefer to call it impulsive buying. In my case, I bought this vacuum cleaner after a month. It's because I really needed a vacuum cleaner. So I have to research for other vacuum cleaners too. So I have to think it through before buying something. So if this is still boodle, it's a good boodle. It's because the product is nice. What I like about this, this dust bag, the filter is separated from the machine. You will just remove this and remove the dust. So it's not dirty when you're going to separate the dust, not messy rather. And it also has other nozzles. This one is for the floor. Sorry, I have to hold it. One is for cleaning your mattress, your bed, or even brushing your shoes, your boots made of fabric. And this one, you can connect this if there are some areas that are hard to reach, or if you will vacuum, you have to stand up. So let's start cleaning. Okay, so we're going to clean a hard to reach area. It cannot be reached by the broom. Use the vacuum cleaner. One hand. Okay, let's go to my bedroom. So I found an area which needs vacuuming because I don't want to be using the broom. Try to use it with one hand. Okay, so now I removed the extension, so it will be easier for me to reach. There's some areas that are hard to reach, like this pipe. Okay, let's see how much can it clean using the brush. Okay, so there are some areas that are too hard to reach. So I guess I'm just going to get a brush and clean them manually.